As someone who loves the outdoors and watching animals, this solar-powered bird feeder camera was a no-brainer for me. Equipped with a high-definition camera and a 160-degree ultra-wide angle lens, this camera offers a fantastic view of the birds in my backyard. It is also motion activated, so it automatically captures the 10-second video whenever a bird appears. I can view these videos on my phone or my computer. I also love the fact that the camera is solar powered, making it easy to use without worrying about the battery replacements. It also has a large capacity container, so I don't have to refill it as often or frequently as my other containers. Another really cool feature is that it has a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing me to hear and speak to the birds. I was so impressed with the installation process as well. It is so simple. With 3 mounting options available, a wall mount, a tree mount, and a pole mount, it was incredibly easy to assemble. I highly recommend the solar-powered bird feeder camera to any bird lover. It's an excellent way to watch birds up close without disturbing them.